The ongoing probe into the president's son, Hunter Biden, took another sharp turn as U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland announced Friday David Weiss is special counsel in the case.
It also reaffirms that Mr. Weiss has the authority he needs to conduct a thorough investigation and to continue to take the steps he deems appropriate independently, based only on the facts and the law.
Hunter Biden was charged with failing to pay more than $200,000 in taxes and more than $1.5 million in income back in 2017 and 2018, and illegally owning a gun at a time he was addicted to drugs. Last month, the president's son was expected to plead guilty to 2 tax misdemeanors. In exchange, he'd not face jail time for the gun charge. But the deal between the Justice Department and Hunter Biden fell through at the last moment. The district judge overseeing the case called the deal confusing and not straightforward.
I am only concerned that a force other than facts or law would influence any additional decision. And if this prosecutor with a new title now continues in doing what he's supposed to do, which is to follow the evidence and follow the law, the conclusion should be the same.
Hunter Biden ended up pleading not guilty. The two parties continued negotiating, but prosecutors finally said talks were at an impasse.
Look, they got him on the verge of a very, very reasonable plea deal. But very wisely, the defense counsel said, as soon as DOJ implied there could be other charges, said, wait a minute, we're not expecting more investigation and other charges beyond this plea deal.
Legal analyst Kendall Coffey was a U.S. attorney and says the now special counsel could end up charging Hunter Biden with more serious crimes.
If I were Hunter Biden, I would be losing sleep at night because I think they are going to take a look at other issues.
Republicans vying for their party nomination sought to turn the president's oft-troubled son into political capital.
It strikes me as a big leap. If he were Republican, he'd be in jail by now, and we all know that.
It's about time that we saw the appointment of a special counsel to get to the bottom of not only what Hunter Biden was doing, but what the Biden family was doing. The American people deserve answers, and I welcome the appointment.
The legal development comes on the heels of historic criminal indictments against Biden's likely rival for the White House, Donald Trump.
We're in highly polarized times where, I say this sadly, there is more public skepticism about the true independence of the Department of Justice and even legendary agencies such as the FBI.
Either way, 2 presidential candidates may have legal baggage strapped to their campaigns, one a lot heavier than the other. John Moan, Scripps News.